Hey friends, I thought I would just share with you all one of my favorite smoothies. Start with a frozen banana. It gives it a creamy consistency. Now I always like to use a little crushed ice, but not too much because you don't want to water your smoothie down. Now I'm doing blueberries today. So we have the berries. Here are the add-ins. Vital protein, collagen peptides. 2 scoops is only 70 calories and you're getting collagen and peptides, and it has 18 grams of protein. Can't taste it at all. I don't always use chia seeds, but today I'm going to use just a few. And flaxseed is a fabulous source of omega-3s. Now, crunchy almond butter, but peanut butter is great as well. Now, I'm just going to add a half a cup more if needed of coconut almond milk. Here we go. Let's see how this pours up. Give it a taste. Fabulous. I hope that you will give this smoothie a try. I hope this was helpful, and y'all have a fabulous day.